sisters. Once, Jesus arrived in a small village called Bethany. He was invited to the house of Mary and Martha. They were two sisters. While Martha would hurry around the house all day long to make it neat and proper for the guest, and her sister Mary would do nothing. After a while, this fact bothered Martha. She felt that while she was working so hard, her sister would just sit at Jesus' feet and not contribute in the household work at all. Finally, she went to Jesus and complained. She said, "Lord, while I work, Mary does nothing. She just sits at your feet. It is not fair." Jesus replied calmly, "Mary is wise. While you worry about worldly things, Mary listens to me. It is more important to listen to me while I am here than be engaged in the household work all the time." Jesus and praying to God. Jesus was a man of God. He loved to pray to God. There were times when he would go and pray alone. According to him, it was necessary to have some time alone with God during a day. One day, his disciples asked him how to pray to God. Jesus replied, "While praying, you should say, 'Father, may your name always be held holy. May your kingdom come. Give us each day the bread we need, and forgive our sins, just as we forgive others who have done us wrong. Do not put us to the test, but keep us safe from all evil." He further mentioned that while praying, one should tell God what one needs. There should be no holding back from God. He will give you what you want only if you believe in Him fully. The friend and the neighbor. The disciples asked Jesus as to how to pray to God. Jesus decided to explain by giving an example. He said, "A man's friend came to his house at midnight. The tired friend asked for some food as he was hungry. But the man did not have any food to give him. So the friend went to the neighbor's house. The neighbor got hassled at being woken up so late. He tried to send the friend away, but the friend did not budge an inch. He kept asking for food. Finally, the poor neighbor gave him food. Similarly, God is like your neighbor. He will take time to listen to you, but He will give you what you want. He will never turn you away. He never turns away anyone who comes to His door for help. You must keep persisting and not be scared." Jesus in Samaria. Once, while spreading the message of God, Jesus and his followers stopped in the town of Samaria. While Jesus rested near a well, The Samaritan women came to the well to draw some water. Jesus asked her for water as he was thirsty. The Samaritan woman was refused. The Jews did not like the Samaritans. Curious, she asked Jesus as to why he would do that. Jesus replied, "If you only knew who I was, you would ask me for a drink." The woman said, "Although my people worship God in their own way, yet I know that a Messiah will come who tells us the truth and lead us to salvation." Jesus replied, "It is the Messiah you are talking to now." The surprised woman ran back to the town to tell the news of the Messiah's visit. Soon, a crowd had gathered around Jesus to hear his teachings.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.